around the country visiting hospitals. So I also targeted to visit Victoria Chitepo Provincial Hospital. First to see what the infrastructure looks like, the equipment that is there, the staffing level, also talking to the admin, listening to their challenges, seeing the patients who are there, whether they are also managing well. That's basically why we are also prioritizing Victoria Chitepo Hospital for upgrading. This is supposed to be a provincial hospital, but as you know, it has got less beds than the Southern General Hospital. We want to see it upgraded to a level where we can have maybe 500 beds or so. We are also looking at the future in terms of training. We want to increase the number of trainee nurses who are being taken here. Currently, I understand there are only 2 intakes instead of 3 intakes, which other training institutions are taking. We are also training RGNs, no nurse specialists, but we want to see if we can increase the intake of the RGNs plus the specialist trainings for nurses. We obviously also want to increase their capacity in terms of training other cadres. We know there's a private university here, but it wants to partner with them to train medical students. So they are going to be training medical students. We also want to make sure that the laboratory services, the diagnostic services are up to standard, so that we don't train substandard medical students. Those are some of the issues that I'm looking at. Generally, the hospital is very good. Upgrades here and there. Also to new bed capacity. And I think it's possible. The space is there. It means we only have to allocate the resources to do that. I'm yet to see the equipment. I've just gone through the wards, I've gone through the pharmacy. I'm happy with the stock level that have increased from 48%, now they are almost around 61%. So that's an increase. But we are still far away from where we should be, because optimal levels should be about 80% stocks in our pharmacies. We've also seen that there are not enough midwives in the maternity ward. There are not enough pharmacists here. Though on the establishment they say they are supposed to have 3 pharmacists. There's 3 pharmacists that day, but they've got 5 pharmacists, which means we need to increase the number of pharmacists so that each pharmacy is manned by a qualified pharmacist. So those are some of the challenges that we've seen so far. We want to be able to go back to the drawing board and improve those areas which are lagging behind.
Okay, that's the summation.
Ndinotenda nemuvuzo wako. Ndiri kutenderera ndichiona zvipatara zvedu zvese zvinoita nezvipatara zvemaprofiti, nokuti tinoda kuona kuti tingazvivandudzise sei vanyatsokwanisa kuita basa. Chino chipatara tiri kuona kuti chine mibhedha mishoma, chinotokurwa neSouthern General Hospital, asi icho chiri kufanira kunge chiri chipatara cheprofiti. Saka tiri kutarisa kuti tingapamidze mibhedha yekuvaka kuti tiwane mawadzi anokwanisa kuti tipamidze. Taane maspecialist akati wandei pano, maviri madepartments akawanda, asi tiri kuda kuona kuti zvishandise zvavo zvekushandisa zvakakwana. Sandaona zvavo maleba avo tingazvipamidze kuti maprovincial hospital edu ese ave anosimukira akwanise kubata basa semachivabatsire vashandi nesi vanachiremba taona kuti attended wao masista avo mashoma chivati pane nzvimbo dzinodzongakutakwa anesi kuti varipa taona zvakare kuti masaging awards wavo toda kuti timbona kuti mibhedha yayakudaro inofanira mitsva inotariswa ichiitwa zvakanaka, asi tinofara kuti matheatre pane zvekushandisa zvakaiswa zvitsva zvakauya zvakapera 2024 ndatofara kuti vane zvinowani yakushanda yemagetsi yakauya saka matheatre avo mashoma vati matheatre asi sechipatara tifanira kubata provinces daitakwanisa kuchise matheatre maviri. Izvi tiri kuzvitarisa izvo tanga kuzoenda kunoita bhajeti pabhajeti papa zvese zvatitaona zvatizviise pabhajeti yatoitsvakuti vanhu dzechipatara chinochikuita kufamasi tiri kufara mishonga yabva pa 48% yanga irikupera kwegore iye zvinenge vari kuti panapa yaasisa vanhu zvipatara zvizhinji zvakatenderera tiri kuona kuti ndaakuna 60 above 60% amastocks avo. Saka tinotarisirawo zvakare kuti dai taramba tichipamhidzira mishonga yekuti tisvike ku 80% zvaimprove, asi hatisati tasvika patinonyatsoda chaiko. Saka tikange tichitarisa kudai zvinozoona kuti taona zvipatara zvakawanda zvinhu zvakamira sei tokwanisa kuplana nemabhajeti edu ataakutanga kugadzira so that tinobuda tiine mari dzakanangana nezvinoda kugadzira. Tinotarisira zvakare kuti chipatara chedu chinofanira kuzotanga kutrena machiremba. Africa University yaane health science department vakatotanga kutrena mamanesi madegree asi vari kuda kubatana nechipatara chinechi vatrene machiremba. Saka kana ari kuchiremba ada kutrena tinenge tichida kuti tivabatsire chipatara chinechi tichisimudzire kuti vanhu vanozotrenwa vanenge vasiri vepasi vanofanira kuendawo pamasame level nematraining ariko nezvimwe zvakadaro saka toda kusimbisa malaboratory avo tosimbisa x-ray nemaCT scan. Izvo zvotanga kuvimbisa kuti chavapa maCT scan manyoanokurenosasira kuti vasimukire vadziita basa ravo vakasimukira.
Okay, my name is Dr. Hilary Makiwa, the acting medicine at Chitepo Provincial Hospital. And since the last few years, especially during and after COVID, we've seen some improvements the local ministry and the government of Zimbabwe and the hospital. Before then, we had a limited number of specialists. Now we have got 12 specialists, moving from a number of 6, which has been a great improvement, especially for the service provision of the people in Manicaland at large. The hospital serves as a referral center, which means that it's geared to provide services that are specialized throughout the province, servicing all the service districts, the 7 districts. We are glad to say now, with the availability of specialists, we can now offer that service, and it is a very notable improvement. What we also are now doing is we now have 12 specialists. We have specialist obs and gynae, we have specialist pediatricians, we have specialist anesthetists, we have specialist neurosurgeons, we have an orthopedic surgeon as well. So with all of that, there's good improvement and there's a lot of service provision that is improved within the hospital. We now also are doing procedures that we were not doing before. We are now doing neurosurgical procedures, orthopedic procedures. Amongst that, we also have dialysis and even physiological services that we are now offering since then. We've received quite a lot of equipment through the government support to this hospital and to the people of Manicaland, and that has enabled us to do that service provision adequately at the Chitepo.